Hey there! I'm Ginger, and boy, do I have a tale to tell you. You see, I'm not just any old cat, I'm a cat with a plan. Well, sort of. It all started in this amazing garden. So many tasty things to gather. Ooh, carrots and tomatoes! And is that a rabbit? Rabbit stew does sound delicious. But wait, why is he looking at me like that? Those big eyes, that twitchy nose. He's kind of cute, actually. Oh, hello there, Mr. Squirrel. And Miss Otter, and Little Chipmunk. You know, I was going to make dinner just for me, but maybe it would be more fun to cook for everyone. Who knew making friends could be even better than making stew? Now let's get cooking. Who wants to help with the cupcakes? Stir the batter, chop the veggies. It's all paws on deck. Whoops, a little too much catnip in the soup. Oh well, it'll be perfect. Time to serve up our feast under the twinkling stars. Look at everyone enjoying the food and each other's company. You know, I thought I was just gathering ingredients, but what I really gathered was a group of wonderful friends.